Honey Boo!
Homie was checking in on me. Sweet baby. He says, you ain't acting right. He's like, how are you? Come here. You made me so happy. You know that, right? Yeah, it's a speaker. It's okay. You want me to rub your belly? I'll rub your belly. Is it belly rubbing time? I think it is. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, you can't stop me from the belly loving. I know you're trying, but there's no need to. Boy, okay? You're a very good boy. But I've got to hang out with my crew. We wouldn't want your girlfriend to get jealous. Stopping this. Sweet boy. You're always on high alert, homeboy. How are you? You be safe, okay? What I do in the sake for loving up on these kitty cats. Sweet baby boy. Here you are. You made me so happy. I know it's a loud motorcycle. But we can be together now, even though I just cleaned my hands. I know you're still a very dirty boy. What are you doing? He took a big old huffy puff. Very good boy. Very good boy. That's the good banana flavor. Very good boy. Very good boy.
She let me